Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you guys use a miter saw all the time like my husband does to cut wood and materials, you're definitely going to want to check out ROCKPORT tools, especially this blade. This is a 10-inch wood blade and it works fantastic. So this blade fits perfectly on our miter saw, super easy to set up. You want to make sure that it's nice and tight in there so it's secure, and that's going to give you the best cut. We love how many uses this blade has. You can use it for so many different types of saws and so many different kinds of projects around the house. Right now we're just cutting a piece of pine from a table that we're going to repurpose, and you can use it for a laminate, you can use it for MDF OSB, so many different kinds of wood, and it has such a beautiful cut, very precise. It cuts like butter. And I just know it's going to last us a really long time. So if you're in the market for a wood blade, definitely check out ROCKPORT tools. You're gonna love everything they have, and that's my point of view.